What's up, you guys? This is Vincanity, and today I want to let you know that I've been teaching weekly online breaking classes streamed from my garage directly to you anywhere in the world. Now, if you're brand new to dancing, I offer a beginner class where we learn the basics, we learn the foundation, we learn the history of the dance. If you have some experience, I also offer an intermediate breaking class where we build strength, coordination, learn harder moves and different concepts. And if you're up for a challenge, I do offer a monthly masterclass intended to challenge you and help take you to the next level. Now, if you still have your reservations, oftentimes I hear, I'm not strong enough, I'm not coordinated, I can't dance. If that's the case, this is the class for you. We take our time, we learn the basics, we build strength, we build coordination, build confidence, and most importantly, we give you an outlet to just express yourself, be yourself, and just have a little bit of fun. If you're interested, make sure you click the link below, hop in one of my classes, and I'll see you soon. All right? Peace.